You may have heard that krill oil is a good food supplement to take, but what exactly is it, and why is it becoming so popular? Krill are tiny creatures that live in the Antarctic Ocean. They are a bit like shrimp. Krill oil is extracted from these and produced into a food supplement, usually as an oil inside a soft gel capsule to be taken orally. Krill oil is becoming so popular because it is naturally very high in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid, shortened to DHA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, shortened to EPA. But it also contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant, and phospholipids, which are good for our joints. This combination of nutrients is what makes krill oil so beneficial. So what are the specific benefits of taking krill oil? Joints, inflammation, and pain. The DHA and EPA omega-3 fatty acids in krill oil are excellent at reducing inflammation in the body. So for those who experience pain, particularly joint pain, many report a noticeable improvement when they regularly take a krill oil supplement. The antioxidant astaxanthin is also excellent at reducing inflammation, so krill oil gives the body a double whammy of help when it comes to this sort of pain, particularly the pain and inflammation associated with arthritis and other joint conditions. The phospholipids that are present naturally in krill oil also play a helpful role in those with joint pain. This substance naturally occurs in the krill animals to help them not to freeze in the icy waters they live in. But in human bodies, phospholipids help with collagen production, which can help to improve joint stiffness and improve the range of movement of joints in those who suffer from joint conditions such as arthritis. A study has shown that regularly taking a krill oil supplement has improved the lives of women who were suffering from PMS, premenstrual syndrome. Due to the anti-inflammatory properties of the supplement, women reported experiencing fewer symptoms and needing to take fewer painkillers. Cholesterol and heart health. The DHA and EPA omega-3 fatty acids present in krill oil are healthy fats that have been shown to lower levels of bad cholesterol in the blood and raise the levels of good cholesterol. Ensuring that we have well-balanced blood lipid levels, or blood fats, is really important in helping our hearts to stay healthy, reducing the strain on this important muscle. Krill oil seems to be an excellent supplement to take to improve heart health because the way these fatty acids are naturally present in krill oil helps our bodies to easily absorb and put them to use. Dry eyes. It has also been found that krill oil can help those who suffer from dry eyes. The discomfort and itchiness associated with dry eyes can be relieved by krill oil, because the omega-3 fatty acids present in the supplement seem to improve the quality of tear film within the eye, as well as help heal scratches on the surface of the eye. Krill oil for skin. Krill oil can also have many benefits for the skin, too. The phospholipids present in krill oil improve our body's collagen production, so they may help to reduce wrinkles and other signs of aging. The omega-3 fatty acids, too, can help the skin to be well-nourished and moisturized, giving a healthy-looking glow. The anti-inflammatory properties, too, can help to reduce acne and zit breakouts on the skin. These are just some of the benefits of taking a krill oil supplement. It has also been noted that the components that make up krill oil also improve mental health conditions, help with hormonal imbalances, improve blood sugar levels in those with diabetes, and may even help you to lose weight.